Welcome back. Today we are taking a look at the Thompson Chicago. This is a Hyatt property that I've visited many times and is my favorite place to stay when I'm in the city. Stick around toward the end to hear more about how I booked this on points and the benefits that Hyatt Globalists receive. Like most Thompson hotels, the decor is dark. There's a moderately sized lobby, and check-in was a breeze. As a Hyatt Globalist, I was upgraded from my standard room to a junior suite on the 5th floor. The bathroom is a decent size, with a walk-in shower and a soaker tub. Sadly, the shower does not allow both the overhead and the wand to be on at the same time. The toiletries are in large bottles, and they'll charge you $50 a piece if you take them. The junior suite has a large room with a dividing wall. The bed is comfortable, as expected. In contrast to the public spaces of the hotel, the room itself is light and bright, with large floor-to-ceiling windows in the bedroom. Moving into the living area of the junior suite, there's a large, oddly shaped couch, a chair, small table, and another TV. The couch is not a suitable size or shape to sleep on, so if you're in need of more sleeping surfaces than the single king bed, this room is not ideal. The corner windows are not full length unless you're at the top few floors of the hotel. The fitness center is not huge, but has a reasonable selection of weights and machines. Not much of a view to enjoy from the window, though. The hotel is located in Chicago's Gold Coast, and it's a great place just to walk around and admire the opulent residences. This area has easy access to the Lakeshore Path. The Lincoln Park Zoo is also only about a 1.5 mile walk away. It's completely free, and it is my favorite area to wander around and take in the sights. As luck would have it, when we were there, the new baby lions were out, pestering their mom and playing with their siblings. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the Thompson Chicago. On the pros side, there's great globalist recognition here. More on that in a little bit. There's an excellent breakfast, and I was pre-upgraded to a junior suite. There's clean rooms and friendly staff. It's a great location, and most times of the year it's quite reasonably priced. On the cons, the technology is only okay. There's smallish TVs, there's no Chromecast available unlike many Hyatts, and there's a truly impressive array of cables under here. And the rooms are a little worn at the edges. Nothing major, but it's still noticeable. An interesting Easter egg to check out when you stay here is the secret stairwell. The first 4 floors are painted by a variety of artists. Certainly worth a visit. While you are admiring the art, let's talk about points and hotel status. I booked a standard king room at the Thompson Chicago using 12,000 Hyatt points. Cash rates at the time were about $250 a night. I'm a Hyatt Globalist, and the Thompson does an excellent job at recognizing Globalist benefits. Nearly every time I've stayed here, I've been upgraded to the junior suite, with the upgrade showing in my Hyatt app the morning of check-in. Globalists also receive breakfast for up to 2 adults and 2 children. There's a full-service restaurant on the ground floor, and surprisingly good for being attached to a hotel. The Thompson Chicago really goes above and beyond for the breakfast benefit. And in my experience, I just order whatever I want. The pastries here are really wonderful. And everything is comped at checkout with no fuss. I almost never drive into the city, but if you do, Globalists also get free parking when you book the hotel on points. This could be an excellent value considering that overnight parking in Chicago can be well over $60. Also, when booking on points, there are no resort or destination fees. Thanks for watching! I hope you enjoyed my review of the Thompson Chicago. If you have any questions or comments, or if you've stayed here yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts below.